Namaskaram. This is a nagging question for lot of urban decision maker. When there are enough challenges while executing advanced GIS solution, why one should consider ultra advanced and little expensive 360-degree mapping technology? The present available internet survey information says that annual property tax revenue is approximately less than 27%. It means the leakage is around 63%. Only less than 5% Indian smart city decision makers have recognized urban GIS mapping as their core focus. There are lot of and many challenges faced during execution of GIS project. It may be about technically trained manpower, legacy data, transparency, project review and many others. But the master challenge is getting mapping right about primary data. In this presentation, we are going to compare merits of both GIS and 360-degree technology. We can see building rooftop from the satellite image taken for base map creation. This is how we digitize the building in a polygon for GIS representation. Please note that the shape-wise, both the building looks identical. In the section B, we can see tree canopy alongside of the road. From similar type of input, we create feature digitization for GIS. Now, this is how we see when we utilize 360-degree data to capture primary mapping details. Here you can see nature of the building, construction type, height of the building, floor count, ground floor utilization, and you may read the banners and the headers which are used as commercial business indicators. In the section B, under the tree canopy, you can see there was an infrastructure which was totally hidden. It has 100% missing probability if one digitized data in GIS style. Let us review a real life example. This is a portion of actual satellite image used for digitization. This is how we digitize image to represent in CAD polygons. In this image, you can see most of the buildings are represented in square or rectangular shapes, which looks to be identical to each other. If you consider this polygon, then you may keep on imagining how the actual building may look like. Consider any moderate size developing city. There would be approximately 100,000 properties. If administration is supposed to check only 10% of the complete data, still 10,000 property checking would be taxing, time consuming and serious job. To validate the delivery, we check if information is attached to each and every polygon. Still, it is subjected to imagination. Hence, in GIS, we attach property image to each polygon. All this data looks to be fine in GIS, but please note that a single image got attached with two different polygons by manual mistake. These kind of mistakes would be obvious when data is huge. Also, kindly note that height of these two buildings cannot be commented because it is difficult to always accommodate complete building in a single shot picture. Let us revisit a satellite image data. This is the way we digitize tall building. In the absence of the satellite image, it becomes difficult to imagine the nature of the building. We imagine building may be like this or like this. When we use 360-degree data, that enables us to view a single property from different angle and different locations. It also allows us to see the nearby vicinity and the development. This data clearly shows information about nature of the building, type of the building, construction type, usage of the building with approximate floor count. Visual information can be interpreted by even semi-literate person. He may not require to learn the basics of mapping to interpret the 360-degree data. This is a real-life example to conclude about properties under the tree cover, which is situation in most of the developing cities. This is a place where the tree canopy is visible along the roadside and in between the two buildings. This is how the road digitization looks like. This is how the map looks after digitization. Kindly note that digitizer has captured a small property under the canopy because of the limitation of the primary data. If we use 360-degree data, this is the place where we stand, and 360 data clearly shows two large buildings under the tree canopy. We can see the nature of the building, extension to the building, construction type and number of floors. Vicinity of the property is also clearly visible for cross-referencing and proofing. In 360-degree data, the complete side view along the navigable street view is visible, which enable us to read the banners and posters. Recording these banners, we can find out which are the businesses established other than ground floor, which are not visible from the road. This is an example where Pedigree Shop, which is located on the first floor, which is completely invisible from the road. This input can be used to revenue appreciation due to residential to commercial conversion. This is a satellite image. This is how we digitize the building property. If we view 360-degree data, we can clearly see old building is being extended height-wise with the recent construction. This is another satellite image in which the property is being digitized as usual reference. This property is visible from different point with different visibility angles. The legacy data says G plus 2 floors. GIS data says G plus 2.5 floors, and 360-degree data shows G plus 2.5 plus basement property. Thus, it is transparent, trustworthy, uncompromisable, and more informative data which can be used to define revenue enhancement. With the help of satellite image, we can only digitize property boundary. However, if we utilize drone mapping data, it allows us to digitize more accurate building outline, and it also facilitates to digitize the boundary of the property, which is a very vital requirement in property tax assessment function. Thus, the concrete advantages of 360-degree technology over GIS is to enhance the accuracy of the primary data, which gives clarity on type of building like a bungalow, building, chawl or superstructure. Construction type like a RCC, brick, kacha, pakka, finished, etc. Type of use like residential, commercial, industrial, religious, educational. Approximate visual age of the building like a historical, very old, moderate, new, recent, etc. Floor count. This is vitally important data for revenue enhancement. Extensions, enlargement, encroachment. Ready reference for near vicinity of the property for visual verification. This is dependable online visual data which can be read by many semi-literate person. Visual deviations can be found and confirmed even before conducting house-to-house survey. This ready internet reference data can be referred by anybody from anywhere. Hidden property details are readily visible without site visits. This multipurpose data can be utilized by multiple government disciplines as a reference data. This visual data can be used for cross-validation of surveyed data. This is very simple, transparent, dependable, and readily available data can be distributed through cloud-based solution. Please get in touch with us in case you need any further information about the subject. Thank you for your invested time. Namaskaram.